happy with this right here, so I'm just going to move the ladder over to the right here. And again, I'm going to load up here and put it right in the corner there. Okay, and now I'm going to feather this right hand side off here. And then the left hand side, that's what comes off there. Put this down, grab my trowel here, walk it into the corner, and go down with it, and that's what comes off there. And now do this one here, and go down with it. So that's what came off there. There is a slight ridge line here that's fine. We'll just let this dry and just sand and just sand that down. So I'm going to reorganize this here and move the ladder over here. Now I'm going to come back to the pail here and just a little bit more mud. So I'm going to reorganize this here. Give it a little shake, upside down with it, grab it like that. Come out a few more inches there and swipe it there. I'm going to clean this off here. Grab it on the lower end here. Come here. And come out a few more inches there. Okay, so I'm just going to move the ladder here. And we'll reorganize this here. What's up the back side? Clean this off, reorganize it, and then I'm going to load up the back hand here. One. Okay, so first we around to the corner, so I'm going to borrow some mud here that puts it there. And walk it into the corner there. Okay, now if you wanted to use the trowel to feather off the sides, you just press hard against the top here. And as you can see, that comes off there. And now press hard against this side here. And I'm going to do that one more time. And now work it into the corner, and come down with it. And I'm pretty happy with that there. So I'm going to move the ladder over here and take it again, borrow some mud to bring it into the corner, give it a jiggle. And I'm going to feather off this side here. Do that one more time. And the right hand side. Okay, and there's a bunch of bubbles that just formed here, so I'm going to come back into the corner and go slow with it there. So this is all set now, and we're just going to let this dry out overnight time, because the mud that was still wet that is underneath there has to dry too. So you really want to give this overnight to dry out, and then in the morning you can come back and just sand it and prime and paint it. And when you sand it, you basically just want to focus just on the edges here. You just want to sand those down, because the middle is already flat. So you just do like a light one in the middle there. So so thank you very much for watching this, and that's how you fix a ceiling with the ceiling cracks in it. So thank you very much for watching.